Hey everyone, I have a really short video for you this week with two versions of a really cute design, and it also shows how I bounce back and forth when I'm working on more than one rock. This design looks really cute on oval shaped rocks, so that's what we're going to work with, and we're going to start by taking a broad tipped white Posca pen to just kind of outline the shape of the pill, and then we're going to go ahead and fill that in with a couple of coats of white paint for our base coat. We're going to do the same thing with our second rock, and this rock is a little bit bumpier than the other one, so I have to take a little bit more care to make sure the lines are straight and even. I am going to make sure and get this base coat nice and solid because half of the design is going to stay white, so I want to make sure that it's filled in really well. Now back to our first rock, we're going to take a blue, a pink, and a purple, and after we split this little happy pill down the middle with a pencil, we're going to take the bigger side of a dotting tool and just start filling in that half of the design with the blue, the purple, and the pink paint, and I just alternate and go through a couple of times trying to eventually cover up most of that white space. Now I'm going to take the smaller end of that dotting tool and cycle through the three colors again and just take the smaller tool and fill in that white space. We don't want very much white showing through. Now I'm going to take this lime sherbet green just to add a little bit of contrast to our original three colors and add some dots into the background of the design with the larger end of the dotting tool. So now bouncing over to our second rock, we're going to split the little design in half again, and we're going to take that same blue kazoo paint and paint half of our happy pill. This will probably take anywhere from 2 to 3 coats to make sure it's nice and solid and you have that nice pretty color of blue. While we're waiting for that to dry, we're going to take a Pigma paint pen and add some detail to our first rock. So we're going to outline the middle of the happy pill. And then we're going to take some of this hologram extreme glitter and just give a quick little coat across the top of the rock to give it some shimmer and shine. Next, we're going to take a fine tip Posca pen that's black and outline the design. Now we're going to add some little circles for the eyes and then our smile. Now we're going to take that same dotting tool with some white paint and add a larger dot in the upper left corner and then 2 smaller dots that are kind of offset to the right. Finally, we're going to take this light cameo pink and we're going to take the dotting tool again and add some little rosy cheeks. Now bouncing back to our second rock, we're going to take that Sakura Pigma pen again and draw the center line in our design. Now we're going to take some dragonfly glaze. This is the blue, green, purple mix. And this is a really fine glitter paint that comes out nice and smooth if you're going to write on something or draw on something. So that's why I'm using this paint, because it's not quite as gritty as the hologram glitter. And again, we'll take that black Posca pen and draw our outline around the entire design. Because this rock's a little bigger, I'm going to take a slightly bigger dotting tool to create the eyes here so that they're nice and even. So 2 black dots for our eyes. And then we're going to take the Posca pen and draw in our smiley face. And then we're going to use a dotting tool again with the light cameo pink to give us our rosy cheeks. We're going to do the same dotting technique for the eyes on this rock as well. This rock felt like it was missing something, so I'm going to go ahead and add some eyelashes with that Sakura Pigma pen. Now I'm going to take a white Posca Dew pen and work on our lettering here, and we're going to spell out happy in a sort of scripty cursive, and then the word pill will just be normal block letters. We're going to take that same Posca Dew pen and go back to our first rock, and this time we're going to use kind of the curve of the design and write happy on the top and then pill on the bottom. And I'm going to add some little notches to the letters to give them a little more character. Once the resin went on these rocks, you can really see the sparkle from the glitter paint popping, and it also darkens up the natural stone. I hope this tutorial gave you a little dose of happiness. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.